Hello, and welcome to another Onshape Tech Tip. My name is Mike Suiters, and today I'd like to show you how to use Onshape's external thread feature. Certain features do not necessarily need to be modeled with 100% accuracy when building parts in 3D. External threads are one such example. Building these threads in 3D is unnecessary in most cases and can impact performance, particularly in large assemblies. Adding thread callouts to the drawing is usually sufficient to assist the machinist in manufacturing. While this water bottle's thread will most likely be modeled as part of the plastic injection molding process, it still serves as an illustration to demonstrate the external thread feature. Start a new external thread feature from the Features toolbar. Select the edge or edges of a shaft or other convex cylindrical face. You may select multiple edges of the same size to add multiple external threads. Define the standard, size, and thread pitch. Set the end type to blind or up to next. Define the total thread depth for a blind end type. Up to next continues the thread up to the termination of the cylindrical face. Optionally, add a chamfer to the top of the thread. Define the length and angle for the chamfer. You may also add an undercut at the bottom. The diameter and length default to values based on the thread and pitch, but can be modified. Enable the split face option to help visualize the total depth of the thread. In the drawing, you can see the thread with phantom lines inside the shaft. Start a new hole or thread callout and click on one of the external edges of the shaft or cylindrical face. The split line indicates the termination of the thread, regardless of whether you added it during the thread's creation. However, if you want to add a dimension for the thread depth, ensure the split line option is enabled. I hope you enjoyed today's tech tip. Stay tuned for a new one next week.